Hello Facebook ads people, I'm Konstantinos and today we're going to talk a little bit about my paid ads course. It's August, everybody's relaxing. I wanted to make this video because we are about to hit 10,000 subscribers and thank you very much for all of that. I couldn't have done it without you and thank you for your questions because they're fueling my podcast and thank you for your comments, thank you for everything. I need to say some things about the course so that we can be clear and if you're considering of buying it or not, I want you to watch this video first and then decide what you're going to do. This is why I'm going to post it here. First of all, I'm a little bit influenced by watching a lot of videos of CoffeeZilla and stuff about fake gurus and everything. So this is the reason that I'm creating right now this video in order to sort some things out, know what to expect from the course and why the price is I don't consider it high, but we're going to discuss a little bit about the price and what is going to happen with all of that. So, first of all, expectations. The course is not there to teach you one blueprint that we're going to follow in all of your ad accounts. The same philosophy is on our YouTube channel. I show a lot of different strategies and I show a lot of different strategies and optimization, much more optimization of CBO campaigns into my course. The course is there for 1.5 years right now and it's having a lot of examples from ad accounts working before and after iOS. And the other thing that I want to mention is that it has exclusive content that it's not available on the YouTube videos. I need to clarify that you can buy the course if you want to go much deeper into the CBO optimization. Everything else, you can learn it from my YouTube videos. You don't have to buy the course. You can just watch the YouTube videos. I don't want to keep the information closed and just have something super extra for the course. The course is going to teach you also a way of thinking about Facebook ads, a mindset about Facebook ads. It's not about just following blueprints or whatever. It's about having a mindset because when the next iOS 14.5 comes, you need to know what you're doing and why you're pressing this setting or the other setting and understand what you're doing in each different strategy. A lot of times I'm taking videos from YouTube that they go and they pair very well with other videos within my course. So in my course you're going to see videos that I have created only for the course, for the paid course, and then you will see some videos from YouTube coming there because they're blending very well and it's like a story of how I would like to teach someone how to do Facebook ads from zero to hero. The other thing that I need to mention is that don't expect that I'm going to just update this course all the time again and again and again and again and again because I'm not running ads for the course. I will never run ads for the course most probably, and I'm not going to do it in a way of trying to sell the course. The course is there and I have created it because I have mentorships with some people and there are people that are coming and they pay me a lot of money and this is a very good base for me to try to actually train them in how to do Facebook ads in a more deeper level with all the strategies and stuff, and it's helping me to speed up the process. I haven't created the course and the YouTube channel in order for me to be able to sell it here. This is the truth and this is why I don't care about the pricing of the course or how many sales it's going to have, because for me the course is the base so that I can have my mentorship programs with people that I teach and also for some of my friends or other people that I want to teach or my employees that I want to teach Facebook ads. There are a lot of people that they have bought the course and they told me that they were happy and stuff. All of this time that I'm selling the course, I'm not going to disclose all of the sales, we had only one refund from a person that just went inside and left the same day. He didn't even see the course. Maybe he changed his opinion, whatever. That's it. Now, all of these people, they have been to my YouTube videos and they have seen YouTube videos and they have seen also the course and they really understood why the course is there. Because it's more about CBO optimization inside the course and mindset instead of just showing different strategies or the things that we are showing on YouTube. Now that we just clear this out, I think and why I'm having the course and how I use it and if I'm planning of monetizing into the future or whatever, if I ever do a course that it's all about selling it with Facebook ads or to several people, maybe I'm going to do another one and I'm going to do it from the beginning so that it can be the perfect course, for example, in my opinion, okay? But now the use that I have for it is for people that they have seen a lot of my videos and they want to go one extra step. And it's also for people that they do mentorship with me and I want them to start from somewhere, or if I want to train one of my friends or one of my employees or whatever. Even my wife has seen the course in order to be able to understand me when I talk to her if I'm stressed about one client or about something, okay? The course has been created for other reasons, in other words. So let's discuss a little bit about the pricing. A lot of times I get messages from you that you tell me that you cannot afford it and so on. There are 2 or 3 things that I need to point out here. First of all, it wouldn't be fair to lower the price of the course because there are a lot of people that they have bought it in the price that it is now, which is $500. Second thing, I don't think that this course should sell less than $500. To be honest with you, I put it in the least price because it has so many things and so many live accounts that I consider valuable. Maybe for you it's nothing, for me it's something, okay? Now, the third thing, I wouldn't be able to lower it more in terms of, it's going to be problematic for me in terms of accounting, okay? If we put it in that way. Because I don't care about the sales of the course is going to stay on this price and it's never going to change because it's serving its purpose as it is. Secondly, I don't care if you're going to buy it or not. I really care more if you subscribe to the channel and you continue watching the content and learning from there. If you want to go one level deeper, go and buy it, fine. But you can still do whatever you want. I'm sharing, let's say, 98% of all the information within my YouTube channel. You're going to be fine. The price is not going to drop, so stop sending me messages to give you a discount code of whatever, I don't know what. I don't consider it's for lower, and I'm not going to sell it anyway massively, and I don't care about the sales that it's going to have. And so it's up to you what you're going to do. No matter what you're going to do, I'm going to continue giving all of this content that I'm giving on my YouTube videos without keeping any information for a paid course. As I said, I don't care about selling the course. The reason that I have created my YouTube channel is because I had so much information that I wanted to share with people and I was just sharing it with my friends. Secondly, because I was watching YouTube channels and I couldn't see any valuable information or live accounts and it was pissing me off. The same is the reason that I wrote my book, because I bought all the books from Amazon and I couldn't find one new information that would help me to learn something more about Facebook ads. And this is when I wrote mine, because I thought that it would give value to people. And all of the things that I do, it's because I believe that, you know, if for me, I'm creating all of these videos, I'm giving value to people, and then it helps me connect with some very good business owners that they have good ad accounts and they cannot scale, and I'm going to help them scale their ad accounts, that's a win for me. And this is why the YouTube channel doesn't depend on how much money we're going to make from the views or how much money we don't have any person advertising. You are not going to see any person advertising in any product in our YouTube channel, because I don't do it for the money. I do it just, okay, I do it for the money if we consider the fact that I'm trying to find people to work with, okay? Good professionals with good companies and good e-commerce accounts that I can actually scale and just go and do all of the things that I know to do, okay? But other than that, I'm not expecting any money from any advertisements or any or from the AdSense or from what YouTube is paying or for the course, okay? The reason that I'm doing it is because I have so much things to say. As you can understand from the videos, I can talk about Facebook ads for 10 hours straight, and this is what I like to do. So I'm expressing all of that by showing things that they excite me. And the other thing is that I believe in helping, and I believe that I can meet with other people that they have other ad accounts, professionals or people that they are owners, and we can work together. That's the only reason that the YouTube channel exists here, and that's the reason that I have been paying this YouTube channel without being profitable for more than 1.5 years so far. Don't get me wrong, I'm not crying about it. I love it. I like to do videos for you. I like to create content. I'm not crying about it. I'm just explaining why the course is going to stay on the same price. It's not fair for the others. I don't care of selling it. So if you don't have the money, you don't have to buy it. You can just learn from the YouTube channel. And I'm very happy because with the YouTube channel, I've met a lot of amazing people that you are seeing some of their case studies in my YouTube channel. Thank you very much, guys. Soon or maybe when the video is going to be on air, we're going to hit 10k subs. Thank you very much. Let's keep it up. Let's go to 100k, and maybe from there let's go to 1 million. All I know is that because of the reasons that I'm doing it, I'm not going to stop anyway, not the podcast or anything else. So thank you very much. Be creative and be consistent, guys.